Good evening. Welcome to another Mountain Moose Reviews. My name is Ian, and I'll be going through all of these fantastic products brought to you by BattlBox. So, it is currently the 13th of March, Friday the 13th, and it is also in the middle of coronavirus season. I am going to be making mad money because I got my TP and I got my Purell. So for those of you who need this, just send me cash or money order. I'll send out a couple bottles to you your way. I think whatever you feel is necessary. All joking aside, hope you're all doing well, staying safe, and enjoying the fact that most of our kids are now going to be staying at home with us for an extended period of time. So I wanted to do a quick review just to kind of show you a comparison of what I got this month for last month from Hunt Vault, as well as what we got for this month's BattlBox, which is number 61. So, as some of you may or may not know, my last videos I was comparing Hunt Vault with BattlBox, went into in-depth detail as to why I was so discouraged with their services and why I have canceled that subscription. The one that really did me in was this one here. So they hyped up having a brand new awesome OtterBox cooler. Great, and I'm thinking there's going to be some other cool stuff inside. However, there's a problem. It came with really awesome things like $1 worth of hunting flap covers that you get from any sports shop for free. So, don't get me wrong, nice cooler, and apparently it is very, very durable. So, from here on out, we're just going to be going over the BattlBox, so don't expect any more Hunt Vault videos. Actually, I take that back. They screwed up and charged me for another month. So, sometime around, I don't know, probably April, I will get the March box and do a review. But since I got the BattlBox currently, I will go ahead and open this one up and see where we are going. So, kind of looking forward to it, because last month's box with Hunt Vault really left me wanting more, and I have really enjoyed Hunt Vault's boxes so much more. If you are looking for a good box, BattlBox. I've been looking at BattlBoxes much more. You can tell maybe it's the coronavirus messing with me. Who knows? I've been looking forward to these a lot more because they have products I actually will use. Don't get me wrong, I'll probably use the hunting flap thingy if it survives till roughly November when the next deer season comes around. All right, going through, it is mission number 61, and you guys can push that up forward so you can see. It's March, and that means you're on mission 61 of the BattlBox. We appreciate you being a subscriber. So it kind of goes through. It says the basic value, advanced pro, and the knife of the month. It doesn't look like it's got a particular theme, at least nothing that I see right offhand. Starting out with the basic box, it kind of just goes through on the back, says what everything's supposed to be, but I don't like reading, and I don't think you want to hear me drone on for another hour as I try and make out big words that are more than 2 syllables. So, we'll go right to it. So the first one is a pair of Calcutta Bimini polarized sunglasses. All right. Well, these will look great. Oh, these are outstanding. So I have a ton of regular ballistic eyewear that I'm required to wear for the Army, but I'm typically don't have any for Gucci stuff on my own. Not sure if I'll be wearing those out in public. You see the nice big skull and crossbones on the side. A little coronavirus-y, but hey, it's with the times. You know, it's Vogue. They actually fit pretty good, and now I just look like Stevie Wonder wearing glasses inside while it's dark. Cue, I wear my sunglasses at night. They seem pretty durable. I'll let my kids be the testers of that because anything that's worth over about $10 they decide to destroy. So we'll see if these hold up. Those valued at $25.99, which matches corresponding to their price tag. So pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. The next one, it looks like it is a Calcutta wire sunglasses retainer. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, because nothing screams I'm a 30-some-odd-year-old dad with a beer belly that I could work out but don't, and I want to embarrass my kids with my pasty white ass and hairy back at the beach like these. Don't know if I'll use them, but you know, maybe I'll find a reason to. So that comes in at $7.99, not bad. Next one we got up is the Tenku Poison Oak and Ivy Skin Treatment. So this stuff I will use. So I've actually got a bottle of it literally sitting on my desk right over there because we are very outdoorsy in our family, and it's been really fantastic, specifically for bug bites. So I am pretty impressed with this product, so I'm glad we got some backup. It does not seem to work against corona, but I'm sure if you snort enough of anything, it'll probably be fine. Anyway, great for cleaning up for skin rashes and lesions. So far, I can actually say that I've already used this product, so I'm actually genuinely happy about that. That should be about $9.99 from what they are telling us approximately. All right, and the last one for the basic kit, which rounds it out at about $55.46 according to their math, not mine. It is a weatherproof survival kit storage box, and I'm guessing this is it. Maybe, maybe not. It doesn't really say. So let's open this bad boy up. Yeah, it's got to be this. Did you watch me attempt to do this? There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know if this is the, it looks like it is. So it's a survival kit storage box. I actually think that's pretty legit. So if you look on the inside, it's actually got individual containers you can open up, much like a fishing tackle box. And then it's got little dividers, so you can put random things that you need in there. So I'm guessing you can put lighter materials. You can put in cotton ball swabs if you have those for fire starting kit. One of the other kits I got already had some fire starting stuff in it, so this would be a great place to put some extra tools. I'd also put first aid stuff. May not be bad, especially things that might get wet or damaged. But it seems pretty durable. It's got a really nice spring tension to it, so it seems like it'll actually hold clothes against the box. I wouldn't call this a Plano box or a Pelican case box, but it seems pretty heavy duty, and it's $10. I'd buy that. I'd actually go out to the store and buy that product. So I am good with that. All right, so that concludes the basic. Now with the advanced kit, they've got the Lamson Ulu knife with a walnut handle. It's 420 steel, made in the great country of the United States of America. So this is it right here. Thank God they've got a coating, because there are special people like me who might actually hurt themselves. So there you go. It is not meant to be handled like this. I know, I'm aware. But the real nice part about this is great for whenever you're actually using it to cut or skin animals. So it looks like it's got a removable coating. You probably have to peel this sucker off. Just because I'm on camera and I don't want to slice off a finger and have to go to the hospital and actually potentially get coronavirus, I'm just going to leave that on until I'm at a time and place of my choosing. But you can see it looks pretty high quality. The actual knife itself, or the handle itself, is walnut. I have been looking at these, specifically for cutting. I don't know, wife might like this for vegetables. Kind of a little overkill to come at an orange with this or an apple with this, but when you're having that stressful Monday and you haven't had your goddamn coffee and the kids want apples, this might work. All right, so that it's supposed to be about 80, or that'll put it up to $31.99 for that, so it jumps the whole box's value up to $87.45. And the next one, it looks like we have a breadcrumb Bluetooth marker and a 50% off coupon, and that would be the Pro Kit. So Bluetooth location marker, locate and activate with your smartphone. So it's a Bluetooth tracking device. Track, find your blind, your stand, your trail cam, or anything else in the field, all with a tap of your smartphone.
Child.
Yeah, so for those of you who did not hear the virus patient in the background, may be used to tag a loved one whenever you're concerned on where they may be going. Kids, faithful wife, faithful husband. So for those of you who don't know, Bluetooth is a very easy signal to find and to track. I'd really look into it, and that's still very cool, and it looks like it comes with a 50% off coupon, and I don't know what the coupon is for. Probably for an additional part of your subscription, but it kind of goes through, tells you what it does. Has a sound chip speaker, it's water resistant case, It actually has LED lights attached to it as well. You download it, the Breadcrumb app, free for iOS or Android. That's good. And then, yeah, it looks like it's battery powered with AAA batteries, so you can replace the batteries. So I'm not sure. Yeah, here we go. 50% off, one additional location marker. So you can get another one of these for half off. So depending on how it works, I'll see whether or not that's worth it. So yeah, that's kind of cool. We'll give it a shot. So that's supposed to jump it up as, there we go. See, I'm already testing out the heavy dutiness of the glasses, and they made a 3-foot fall without breaking. So, you know, so far so good. So that should put it at about another $59.99 from what it says on the box. So it jumps the value up to $147.44. And then the final one for those of you who get the Knife of the Month Club, which who doesn't need more knives, is the Spyderco Persistent Full Flat Grind Black G10 Scales, which is only it's a $68 knife, $70 knife. So Spyderco's always made pretty good stuff for me. I've always liked it. So not a bad little handle. It seems to hold pretty well. And the one thing that they are known for, and yeah, that thing is sharper than squat. So I'd be really, that'd be a really good knife to take out to the bush. I like how it's locked, and then it's also got a pretty good feature, so you're gutting an animal, you can go in like that, so you don't get to hit the intestines. But pretty good knife overall, and it also comes with this really cute little box. For those of you who keep your knives in boxes. And it also comes with a Spyderco knife, looks like a mat, first release knife cleaning mat, and everyday carry tray. So, don't know quite. It's interesting that they'd have a cleaning mat for a knife. I don't know. I don't do a whole lot of, as some would say in the military, PMCS, preventative maintenance, or care on knives. I usually just sharpen them and use them. But, whew, pretty heavy rubber smell, but still pretty cool. So it's got their logo from Golden, Colorado. But, you know, it's a nice little cleaning kit or a nice little mat that you can put down. So if
or
you're
your
working on
everyday
something.
carry gun. You could put a handgun on there.
I'm editing that out.
No.
No. You won't find for that. All right, so bottom line, this is actually a really cool little thing. It's got little spiders on it. I don't. If anything, it's something cool the kids can play on.
Put it in your car. So our cell
Are you
phones don't
talking?
fly.
Are you talking? Or am I talking?
There's a lot of uses for that.
Okay, well, you know, whose channel is this? Oh, and finally, it looks like on the very bottom, courtesy of the Tech New, I have a enter to win a 2020 Toyota Tacoma.
If you win that, I'm
All
gonna die.
right. That's exactly what everybody needs to be spammed for another eternity. So overall, pretty good. Oh, here we go. Here's the actual knife itself. So it's all about kitchen making. So again, food prep. I've seen folks use these knives for game prep out in the field. That's why I mentioned it earlier. But that's also when I think they were eating it. So one last quick recap. As I said, we'll go through. Got the Ulu knife, Spyderco knife, which I'm pretty stoked about. Unique little case for everyday carry. Your awesome bug spray or your bug poison oak, ivy, whatever it is that itches. This will take care of it, except for those things that you got in Vegas. Bluetooth tracking and the phone with the awesome little behind the ears holder and the mat. So that is the March 2020 BattlBox review. If you liked the review, have any questions, please give me a good thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would you like me to review anything, be it a box or be it other hunting or shooting related topics, I'd be more than happy to cover them. Once again, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.